I'll make sure it's on there. Let me put it in the comments about that, Pastor. But there's two different kinds. There's always the prosperity and the Kojic, right? If I'm correct about it. And one teaches about a lot about money and having material things, and God wants you to do this and do that. The other one doesn't really focus on money. He focuses on you living 100% the life God wants you to live. And what's important about black people, they in their prosperity because it makes them feel good. It makes them feel good. You go to the way to sell to the black person, the black man, and it's always been programmed that because you have money and because you have this type of status and you look a certain way, then you're living a that attracts black people most of the time. And not just black people. I'm just saying it because I'm a part of that community, so I have to talk about them sometimes. But there's a lot of people. So people are drawn to the glitz and glamour because we live in that material world. And I'm saying that God don't want you. I'm saying that, but it's not just about money. You should go fight for the glory of God, and then money will come. That's what it's about. If you put in your, I'm not gonna give you this blessing as a pastor, as a pastor, or and get with me unless you give me money. That's not what God wants you to do. God said to give, but He never said to give to a church, meaning that gives you money. I believe that God wants you to be able to give things as far as acts of service, material, and not just money. You can be able to you have the money. You can usually able to give a church. You can go to the store, grab some food, and be able to give money, give food to the church for homeless people to come in and get food. There's a whole lot of things that they meant when it's just meant to giving away. It wasn't just about money. I don't believe that. I believe God has abundance of everything. What does He need my little money for? It's okay to give money, but I don't think it's a purpose. It's something you have to do to be able to get into the glory of God. It doesn't. But that's what the prosperity church, you know, doesn't make a lot of sense to me. But let's get off of that. Let's get back to this calisthenics. We can talk about that for a minute. But I love to have those Bible verses of the day. I want you guys to comments what y'all think about that Bible verse of the day. We got chin ups. So we got crouch chin ups or tucked in chin ups in that bicep. All right. We got about 8-9 minutes left. I'm gonna show y'all a little bit more before we get up out of here. Chin ups. Straightforward. We curl it right here. Makes a little sense. So here, boom, all the way down. Right here with it. Pull it. Pull them straight up. Take your time, go a little slow. If you're more advanced, you're right here. Pull it. It's more advanced. Chin up right here, bringing the touch. It's still pull. Come back out, pull. Next one, pull. If you can't get the full L sit, in, or straight out. Or if you're in between, what I used to do before I was able to the L sit chin up, I was here. I would do one leg in, one leg out. So we here, right here. So from here to up to here, up. Then I come back down, lay a leg up. Make sense? So you got to start somewhere. Everybody can't start off and just hit the L sit. It takes time. So I'm trying to get to everybody up to the level because you ain't there yet. And there's nothing wrong with that. Everybody takes time to get there. All right. Hit this joint quick. Look at your phone. Huh? It's your birthday? I was gonna say your phone. Oh, you don't need it. Ah, good. No. We'll wrap it up in a minute. All right, so we still got burpees. So with the burpee, we're here with it. Nice and smooth. What I want you to do is burpee. We won't do no jumping with my burpee. I'm not a cheerleader. Everybody got different variations. You want to jump in the air and feel good about yourself, then you go ahead and do it. Don't care my comments. Get mad about it. You click the video, either one, because I'm just heavy in the algorithm, or two, I'm the channel that you like to see. This is the most authentic channel out here. You're not gonna find one like this. All right, so we here, stomach, touch the toes, 3 pumps with it, okay? Boom, bam, down, 1, 2, 3, nice and smooth. Slow down with it. You ain't gotta go too fast. Nice smooth burpees here. Nice and smooth. You don't have to go too fast with the burpees. Slow down. Take your time. You don't have to run real fast, jump in the air, do all that. No. Take your time with the burpees. You gotta be able to crawl before you run, brothers. Crawl before you run. And we're gonna go again. It's hot out here. You hot? Yeah, 'cause me, I'm moving. It's hot. All right, so hit that like for me. You making sense? Y'all rocking with me. I like out here, man. Nice and smooth. So, gonna get another one. We just coming through. We got dips, straight bar dips, and we got tucked L pin ups. Well, tucked, not really L. That's for the advanced. We got tucked for beginners. Then we got burpees, the 3 pump burpees. This full workout is based on your arms and your cardio. That's the main thing. I'm really worrying about this workout right here. Every little different. We focusing over those. All right, let's roll again. Here, we get arm length. But I want you to try to force your elbows into your sides, straight up. You get more of your triceps. Here, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep it straight up. You want to focus a lot more on your triceps. Nice and small triceps. How that camera looking? Look good. Just keep on watching because I don't want to die on me. All right, we'll finish it up. Because I last set. We got straightforward chin ups, tucked. We got the arm length, shoulder length. So I want to be able to hit the biceps same. Short head, left side, whatever you want to say. Here, straight down, hang all the way down. Oh yeah. All right, we good. All right, so here, boom, nice and good. Oh yeah, squeeze up top, squeeze, legs tucked. We beginners right now. We're focusing on the biceps. If you get good, you're right here. Boom. That's advanced. This intermediate. Here, basic or beginner. You pick your level and you run with it. This takes time. We got burpees, 3 pumps, no jump. Here, touch toes. Take your time. Smooth. Smooth. Don't run again. Like smooth. You ain't got burpees in your regimen. It's not a lot of gains. Cardio gonna push better. Your health gonna run better with the burpee. Plus your mental strength is. Because you're breathing through. Going up and down. Takes a lot of ingenuity to get there. Does that make sense? Hit that like good for today. Appreciate everybody that came through. Subscribe. You know, always in the same exact way. I appreciate everybody who appreciates me. Make sure y'all hear me. You know, I still love you. See you on the next one. Like for me, man.